This is how I made 15,000 pesos at home using my phone and laptop. I'm Ida. I'm here to help you grow and earn here using social media. So if you're watching this video, it means you're at home, you want money, and you want to finally earn using social media because all you do is scroll in your phone. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to make sure that you find out how you do this, and basically a beginner-friendly tutorial that will help you understand what this is and how you can do this or how you can start doing this at home. During the pandemic, a girl was broke, a student, and she needed money, she needed funds. So I stumbled upon this girl who was teaching this masterclass helping you make money using Instagram, and I thought,
wow, I've always wanted to become a content creator, and I knew that you can make money as a content creator.
I didn't know that this was gonna change my life. I realized that you can actually make money using social media, using Instagram, using Facebook, using TikTok. This is what you call social media management, and you can call me like a social media manager. That's what I do for brands, for my clients right now. How it helped me? I actually got my first laptop, my first iPad, and support my funds, my family. But I know some who was like from corporate, single moms. It's 100% possible earning 6 figures, 7 figures just doing this job, because I've seen so much people, even my mentor has been doing it. If you want to know more, I know there's so much TikTok videos sharing their journey as a social media manager, so you can check that out. But for me, it helps my family and I, like I just shared. Being a social media manager is basically you're the one who's creating the graphics. So this can be through Canva, you're the one taking photos, you're the one creating the videos. Anything that you see on social media that's being posted, that's the job that you do. You create those things. You can be also the one replying to comments, replying to messages, or another task that a social media manager does. It can vary from person to person. So my packages may look different from another social media manager, and that's totally fine. You also need to find out which type of clients you're gonna be serving. So for example, if you become a social media manager, you also have to find out what type of business owners or what type of businesses you're gonna be helping. Is it people in the fashion industry? Is it people in the health industry? What kind of clients will you be helping? Another thing that they do is they also strategize. So basically, we come up with a marketing campaign plans. When is this content gonna be posted? What time will it be posted? So basically, from creating the idea, from creating the content, from posting the content, from replying to the comments, all those steps, you're the one who's gonna be doing it as a social media manager. It can take a lot of time, but if you are good with time management, I know there are other social media managers in there that work like 4 hours a day for 4 days a week, and they get paid like a lot. It can still vary, and it will depend on your experience and your skills. Why do people pay for social media managers? So as a business owner or as a CEO, the CEO doesn't do everything. There's a lot of things that the CEO does, and it can take a lot of time. So instead of them doing those tasks, they're gonna be hiring someone to do it for them so that they can free up their time. With that said, if a business is scaling already, they're ready to get more customers. More customers can mean more time spent on their business, and if this happens, the CEO can lose time for their personal life, for their relationship, for things that they enjoy. That's why they hire a social media manager to basically help them with their business. So another question is, how much is the salary if you become a social media manager? Honestly, it will depend on you. When I was like a beginner starting out, I started with 6,000 pesos. You have to also consider the courses that you took, the mentors, your experience, and the results that you get for your clients. So I know some people are earning 100,000, 200,000. It's totally possible. Just make sure that a business owner gets the ROI back when they hire you. Now you're convinced you want to become a social media manager. What do I do? For me, what I do suggest, watch more videos on what a day as a social media manager looks like. And if you see yourself doing the same things, then go ahead, research more videos about what they do, the skills that you need. Let me know some questions that you have about being a social media manager in the comments so that we can help you kickstart your social media manager journey.